To construct an icosahedron with the Hexa Zen Triangles, you will need 20 triangles. Once you have these, you need to clip them together by finding the male and female parts of the triangles and slotting them together. You will notice that they fit quite firmly, so just make sure you press them in carefully so that they line up into a nice straight edge. You'll need to get 5 of them connected to make the top of the icosahedron, and you can fold them to the right angle once they are snapped together, and you'll see that you can then arrange them in such a way that they form this pentagon shape. And you can set that aside. That will be the top or the bottom, and you need to make another one following the same pattern. So clip them together, making sure that you hold them firmly. They're very sturdy and are able to be manipulated quite easily. And the great thing about this design is it's one of the platonic solids. It's the biggest one in terms of faces, with 20 faces. So it's great fun to build and explore. You can also put these two together to make a pentagon style shape. You can put those to one side. Next, you need to make what is essentially a ring of triangles facing up and down that will go around the middle of the icosahedron. So do this by connecting 5 of them together in a line. Snap them together nice and flat. You can fold them round later on, set that to one side. Get 5 more, snap those together too. Once you have again snapped them all together, you'll notice how they fit perfectly when they are the right way round. Then you connect those 2 pieces together and those 2 pieces together, and you have your icosahedron. So snap that together, and you now have a line of 10, 5 up, 5 down triangles. Start to bend it round to form a circle-ish shape. And you'll notice that the way they are designed is that they can be bent quite nicely. Fold that round, snap them together, and you'll hear a nice satisfying click. Then take the top section, whichever one you choose to use for the top or the bottom, as it's once the shape is built, it is symmetrical and any point can become the top or bottom. And you just snap these into place like so, making sure you go around. If anything comes undone, just click it back together, then place the top or bottom on, line it all up, click it together, and it will make a nice satisfying final click as it all slots together. And there is your icosahedron made with the Hexa Zen designs by Natureofflowers. If you want to get yourself one, pop over to natureofflowers.com and have a look on the website and find all the details, how to order, etc., and get yourself one of these lovely icosahedrons. Now obviously you can use it to make many more shapes, but here it is in its original icosahedron form. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, feel free to share it, comment, like, and obviously the favourite one is subscribe. There you are, the icosahedron in all its glory. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.